Let's go to our next game. So this one's called Red Flags. We're going to give you three hypothetical situations. In each situation, there are two things that are going great and one thing that's a red flag.
Okay.
You need to choose which of these three buckets
the
you'd
red
rather
flag.
be in. No, which one you would rather be in.
Okay, done.
So situation one is Detales is working with over 100 clients. You have expanded to 3 other countries, but your latest fashion brand launch event is unsuccessful. Situation two is Detales has more than 200 team members. You've just won the contract for the largest hotel group in the world, but one of your team members leaves to start a competitor agency. And situation three is a network agency has offered to acquire you. Your revenue is growing at 50% year on year, but you're feeling really demotivated lately. So you can have a look at all the three situations. You have to choose one of them to be in.
Situation two.
Situation two. Interesting. Why?
Because my team is good enough. Even if one person leaves, it doesn't matter. You can take my contacts. You can't take me. So and it's happened lots of times. So it doesn't matter. Lots of people have taken our lists and taken our database and started their own agencies. But like I said, they couldn't take me. So, situation two for sure.
So your decision is purely based on the red flag, not the green.
It's purely on the red flag. Yes.
Interesting. When we drafted this, I thought you would have picked situation two because most people know where they stand in the market.
Exactly.
Do you expect almost your juniors to leave and start on their own? But after our initial conversation, I thought you might have picked situation three because there the red flag is something you can pull yourself out of.
Right.
And because you've said you have a method of breaking out of that.
Yes.
But do you consider a network agency
Acquisition
acquiring you a red flag or a green flag?
Red.
Yes, I think that's the situation for you.
Because I feel like right now we are all hard, and I feel like anyone coming in. So I've been offered, to be acquired multiple times, and also for investors to come in multiple times. But I know that will also change the ethos of the company. It's not going to be all hard. Then it's going to be all revenue.
It's at that point you can't do the PTK mein kar leti.
Yeah.
And for me, I think I just love what I do. So I think that's the most important.
No, fair enough.